Who's the best at making pasties? Me. I am the best. No, I am the best. Good at music. You remember earlier in the week we made some mince, which is here. There's the mince that we made, and we did the laid potatoes with it. And I said, don't worry about making too much because you can use it for the projects. It'll freeze really well. This has been in the fridge for a couple of days, and what I thought I'd do, and these are absolutely wonderful. I'm going to make some very small pasties with this mould. And then we can have them later with whatever you want, and again these will freeze, so you've got them whenever you want to. These are fantastic. Stick with me and I'll show you how we do it. These little cutters you can use for, oh crikey, all sorts of things. There's the stuff that we made earlier on, and this is the easy way that I know to do it, using shop bought pastry. Again, shop bought puff pastry, midweek treat. And like I said, the puff pastry you can get from anywhere. These are great for the kids' school meals, for you to take to work. You know, it's entirely up to you. So what I've done, I've got a cutter. Where is it? There's our cutter. I've got this cutter, and it's the exact size of our little chomper. Exact size there. We'll pop this into there. There, that's good. Get a bit of our mince. Put it in 1/2. Like that, 1/2. Bit of water around the edge. Hold it over, press, take it off, and there it is. That's the first one. A little tip, just where are we? A little bit of oil, olive oil or something, just on the mould, and then that way it doesn't stick. We'll do it again. So use the mould that you've got, that when it's pushed in like this, it's all the way to the edge. Okay, the first one I did, it was slightly too small. Too small, but it's okay. There we are. We'll get our mince again. Just put it in 1/2. That. Put it in 1/2, a bit of water just to wet the pastry. So it'll stick. Hold it over like that. A little bit too full, that one. But it'll be alright, it'll be fine.